Hello everyone. Our topic today is about prepositions. We'll speak about the usage of each one of them and practice together. First, let me tell you what prepositions are. They are words we use to speak about time, like at 8 o'clock, place, like in the house, or direction, like around the corner. First, we're gonna speak about the prepositions of time, the most common of which are in, on, and at. Example, I eat lunch at 3 p.m. My day off is on Friday. My son's birthday is in May. Now, let's begin. At. We use it with clock times, like I go to work at 9 a.m. They finish school at 2:30 p.m. We have dinner at 7 p.m. We can use at with other times like night, I watch TV at night, breakfast time, I'll meet my friends at breakfast time, lunchtime, I ate pizza at lunchtime, and dinner time, I had a dessert at dinner time. On. We use the preposition on with days of the week. Example, I go to school on Sunday. We always go to Grandma on Thursday. She has an appointment on Monday. We also use on with dates. Example, I have to travel on September 4th. My graduation party is on March 22nd. In. We use it with the time of the day, morning, evening, afternoon. Example, I must drink coffee in the morning. I watch a movie in the evening. I'll see my cousin in the afternoon. We also use in with months and years. My father will come back in June. I graduated in 2009. We also use in with the seasons of the year like the spring, the summer, the fall, the winter. Example, we go to Alexandria in the summer and we go to Aswan in the winter. In the fall, trees change their leaves. Flowers look so colorful in the spring. Now, let's practice. She studies night. Exactly, at night. We celebrate New Year's Day, January 1st. Yes, on January 1st. I'll arrive home the afternoon. Excellent, in the afternoon. We go skiing the winter. Super, in the winter. See you tomorrow, 10. See you tomorrow at 10. My piano class is Saturday. Exactly, my piano class is on Saturday. With this, guys, we have reached the end of this video. Wait for us in the coming video about prepositions of place. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We're waiting for your comments as well. This was NourElhoda from Audio Academy. Always develop yourself. Bye bye.